So ran out of air. Gotta pump up the tire. Borrow their receptacle over here. There's Fritzy. See if we can help this guy too. Just got loads and loads and loads of people. We'll see what happens.
All right. Nikki, why aren't you helping out?
Somebody's got to film.
Hey, Nick.
Hey.
Nikki, make sure you get my good side the entire time, all right?
Noted.
Okay. All right, kids, let's do it.
There you go.
Wow. Holy cow.
Billy, you could have put some deodorant on today.
You're gonna have to pull it in one time, dude. I think I put deodorant on.
I'm messing with you.
Now?
Yeah, when it goes deep, hit it. Holy
You
crap.
didn't mark that?
No, I was waiting on you.
What a God! Like, we gotta find some new help.
You
Holy
yelled at me earlier for
cow.
marking it too early.
There you go,
You don't
newlywed
know what
banter.
you're listening for? Sitting here staring at you for 15 seconds.
There it is.
Nikki's about to be fired. No, I don't think so.
Right there.
Great job, babe.
Great job. Woo! Get it, baby.
Is this the ladies' corner over here? Got Mama checking out the front yard. I think she's going to get cold beer for us.
It's 11 a.m.
Oh, is it? Seems late. I've been up since 6.
That's the first time that's happened to me.
Oh.
And of course, it just so happens to be the one time you're filming.
You gotta show everyone how it's done?
Clearly, I don't know how it's done.
Yeah, you do.
Also, not the best activity to do wearing shorts.
Or when it's 88 degrees out.
Or that.
And this is one of, I would say, I don't know, hundreds,
That's not even all of
thousands.
them.
I see someone who looks like they're ready to work.
What's up, Big Trev? You ready? You got your work belts on, ready to do it?
Got your safety vest.
I don't know about those work boots though. We gotta do something about that. We gotta talk to mommy.
Are you ready?
It looks like he's ready for both. He's gonna work a little bit and then go to the pool after with his water shoes.
Well, hi, Graham.
What's up, dude? Huh? Look at you. No? You just come right by? Oh. Hey. You see Spider-Man anywhere? You see Spider-Man? Look at Spider-Man!
So we have a construction worker and Spider-Man, huh? Different, my kids are. Love it.
What's up, dude?
You making sure my station's level?
I love your outfit.
You need to see your eyes so you don't fall. Okay? Bill, do you know how to tie a knot?
Good job, Graham. So why are you doing this?
Oh, just to give us a little movement.
Someone can't measure.
7 inches.
Right, so there's a 4-inch block here and a 4-inch block there.
I know, that's what I'm saying. There's going to be a 4-inch block here. This is an 8-inch step. That means all of this is a 4-inch block. And then that means all of this is a 4-inch block. So there's 4-inch block all the way around the whole thing.
Right, because it was either dig it out 4 inches,
Right.
or buy 4-inch block, and we
Yeah.
just settled on buying 4-inch block.
Yeah.
So you need more 4-inch block.
No, that's what we figured.
No, we should have plenty of 4-inch block over here.
Okay.
All right. So if we're ready, I guess we'll get started.
Started on what, lunch?
Yeah.
At lunch or,
Well, it's 12 o'clock.
It's-
Before we start mixing, should
It's
we go to lunch?
12:15.
I know, whatever. We can go eat lunch now.
All right, let's
I
do
mean,
it.
it makes no sense to get all dirty and sweaty and stop in 20 minutes.
5 quarts of clean water for each 80-pound bag. So what I would do is go get one of them buckets and measure out 5 quarts.
And just mark a line and
then mark a line, yeah, and then you just basically fill it up, dump, and that the water goes in there first.
then, okay,
And you turn this thing on and then dump that in there.
okay.
Muscles. Man. Had to go home during lunch to change his shirt out. I feel like every new task that we do, I have a slight sense of like anxiety because I've never done it, have no idea what to do,
I don't get anxiety, I just do it.
how it's gonna.
But I'm not a perfectionist, so I don't give a shit.
It's not like I'm like overly
It's
anxious.
gonna be
It's just like a
as good as I can
slight
do it.
amount of
Yeah.
anxiety because I look at that and I'm like, man, I don't know, looks daunting.
Nah, dude, you got this.
No?
You got this, man. You got this.
First, you need to check to see how close we are to 64 to make sure you got, or this will be, what?
Should be 72.
72. So we got to come up a quarter of an inch. If anything, you want it high because you can always tap it down.
So I need to put some more mud up in there?
Yeah. Now put your level on it.
I need to go down though, right?
And that's level left to right, right? Because that's the right side looks high.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I just
71 and a half. It's okay. Just tap it down. Tap the whole thing down. Are you pushing on it with your left hand?
do I need to
Push
be?
the edge of it with your left hand. Yeah, someone's got to hold it there or it just bounces. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Like when you're pounding on it right here to level it this way, this side here is going down. So when you're pounding on it to get it to go this way, you need to pound right there in the middle. So the
Okay.
whole side goes down at the same time.
It needs to go to the right though.
72 and a half, 8. So yeah, that's all the stuff you have to look at while you're tapping it and holding it and all that. You want to try to hold it in place. See, the mud is like jello. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you got to kind of hold it as you're tapping it, or it just flops all over the place.
I mean, this is going to be an absolute nightmare.
It'll be okay. Trust me, it'll be all right.
Because this is all probably screwed up.
And you're on your line, right?
Man, I reckon it could probably go to the right a little bit. I don't know.
And we'll have to make up about 1/4 of an inch on the next one. I say that mud, we should mix it up just a tad bit heavier
Because
for
of how high
this.
we have to build this up.
For normal block, it would be perfect, but
Are you shoving grass in there?
No, he's full pieces of concrete and rocks to stick them under there to hold it up.
Oh my gosh. How's it coming over here, guys?
Not near as fast as we thought.
Yeah. That's how it is with everything, I feel.
I will say, we're almost in the shade, so that's a positive.
There you go.
But one positive is of the day. Are we 4-inch block all the way around? Huh. I think we are. Had I known that, that's a waste of time, money, everything. I would have just dug it out with the excavator when we had it.
So what is the lesson learned?
make sure you get your footings where they need to be.
Better preparation on the front end.
The depth of them are right when you have an excavator and not a shovel. You take this, and what you're basically doing is rubbing the joints so you get a nice clean joint, plus it helps seal up the crack. Like where this is right here, where this is all open in the corner. And then if you need a little bit of mud, that's already hard, but you basically, and then just wipe this off like that right there. Take a little bit of mud and push in there with your finger, and then just trowel that. You should be good.
All right.
And then you do all them joints.
Cool. I'll do it.
Water in the joints, that's what going in.
Yeah, I need some stuff on the ground and dry.
Oh my God, my finger.
Nick, you need some more? What you got going on?
Need some mortar down here, mortar guy.
All right, there you go. I guess we get to my job then.
Take this right here and just give her a little.
Got it. Billy over here looking good, man.
Almost looks like you know what you're doing.
That's what I'm here for. I don't actually know what I'm doing.
Let me get the boss over there hard at work. She's project managing.
Hey, as long as mine looks better than his,
I don't know, man.
that's all I care about.
I think the old man's got
That's
you
all
down.
I care about.
Hey, I might be slow, but I'm good.
Here we go.
What's it look like over there?
He's getting the 4-inch block. It looks nice and straight.
Looks like he's been doing it for 45 years.
It looks like he's been doing it for a minute. I don't know. All right, let's see that skill.
That skill.
The 2 hours of practice you've had. Woo! Look at that.
Is that all we've been doing it for? 2 hours? No, the screenshot off, but Corey had me all flustered. I'm on the wrong row.
Oh, you can still do that, Ro.
Dang.
Come on, man.
Got me all flustered. I was wondering why I had to move the string out of the way for this one.
What are your 30 subscribers gonna think now?
I don't know if we have 30 subscribers. We're not gonna get any more with work like this though. Gotta be better.
Hold on, I'm about to get you about 500 more.
That must mean the shirt's coming off.
All right, we got the Ewings working together. Teamwork makes the dream work.
All right, what's the matter?
Come over here and look at this thing.
Where am I going?
Down here.
Thank you. What you working on?
Trying to fill the grout joints
Yo.
that are a little iffy. And then make these blocks more uniform, I guess.
What it is that a straight one that kind of looks like that.
Right at the top. Yeah.
Or what you can do is get that 4-foot note over there.
This all here looks good. It's somehow there's a. It's like it runs to the right at the corner.
Well, hold on. What looks good? You talking about your beautiful wife?
That's it. That's all I got.
Okay, so he brought us a first aid kit in case, who knows. So in here we got blister bandages, band-aids, sunscreen, anti-itch spray, bug spray for me, scissors, because I guess you never know, and an actual first aid kit.
There you go.
There we go. We got gloves, we got medicines and topicals.
What about the baby aspirin?
There's no baby aspirin.
Yeah, there is. You know what it's for?
What?
Tee-hee.
Yeah, Cindy wanted to make sure that we knew that if anybody was feeling chest pain, to take an aspirin.
So we're not trying to point anybody out, right? I'm not trying to call
Stop
anybody
talking
out.
about that old guy, are you?
But anyway.
Yeah, he's never had chest pain, but there's no.
Yeah, there's
heart
never been
attack,
any.
and yet that's what she prefaces the whole.
That's okay. Big Mama's looking out for her man. That's all right.
So
Threw some bad juju on us is what happened.
if there's any chest pain, we're supposed to take aspirin and call 911. Personally. All right.
Luke, what do you feel about that?
All right.
Thanks for the help, man.